Why are we qualified to do this work? Quite simply, because we are professionals who are devoted to our clients and our craft. For us, there's nothing quite like getting in on the ground floor of a new restaurant chain or new business and inspiring a vision for what comprehensive lighting can look like. Not only that, but we love it when our customers save big with our rebates because of our expertise in project management. You might wonder why we chose lighting and energy efficiency to become obsessed with over all the other possibilities having to do with architecture and design. Well, right now is actually a very exciting time in the commercial lighting industry. We've been in the industry for so long, we remember when space-age design was the inspiration for energy efficiency here on Earth. Energy efficiency started in residential and commercial spaces before it reached individual homes. And that's still where we feel significant impact can be made today. Because we have worked in every area of commercial energy usage, from lighting to heating and cooling to insulation, we can pinpoint quickly and accurately what each business needs from a holistic perspective to establish beautiful and budget-conscious lighting systems and energy controls. And we have a particular passion for working with companies across a wide range of fields and types of buildings. You might have a restaurant that needs new lighting, or perhaps you're opening a national chain that requires brand consistency and scalability. You might be responsible for a local supermarket, and you're looking for ways to improve the customer experience and save money on this huge expense. Perhaps you have a space such as a hotel, office, or other retail space, and it's time for an upgrade. Well, we're happy to tell you that we can help you no matter what your area happens to be. We've worked with large and small, local and national, old buildings and new buildings. We'll be bringing years of experience to the table to help you do what's best for you. For us, applying our framework of energy management across these diverse clients allows us to disseminate our expertise to benefit as many people as possible. By working with your business, we can indirectly impact quality of life for your customers too. While choosing individual lighting fixtures may seem like a simple task, we found that curating a comprehensive lighting and energy usage system that will streamline the company's design and budget is anything but easy. We're looking forward to presenting this framework to you to help you achieve your goals today.